Hey everybody, Nava Hopkins from Optimizer here with a quick video explaining what the difference is between dynamic search ads and PMax. As some of you may be aware, it looks like dynamic search ads is being rolled into PMax. And so before we panic, let's first uncover what the differences are, as well as why it may not be such a big deal or a bad thing that's getting rolled in. Dynamic search ads would crawl your site and allow you to target sections based off of either categories, specific fits in your feed, or landing pages. You could put in exclusions, and the ads would have the headlines created by Google and the descriptions created by you. The headlines would be based off of your site. These were really popular, especially with SEOs, because you could have amazing PPC performance based off of your already wonderful SEO work. Now, PMax covers all of the major Google ad tech channels. Think display, think shopping, YouTube, Discover, local, Gmail, you name it, and obviously search, it's there. Now, here's the thing. When we have DSA rolled into PMax, i.e. URL expansion, it is going to mean that you now will be eligible to serve on all those other channels, and you likely should have the creative for it. The key difference is you now are going to be able to control the headlines as well as your descriptions, and you're still going to be able to have the negatives at the account-wide level negative list, and you can still use tools for placement exclusions. If you're an optimizer customer, the smart exclusion placement list is going to be great for this. But again, you always can leverage the native tools as well. Now, here's why I don't actually think it's that big of a deal. DSA served a really good use for some people. However, a lot of people would use DSA and not set it up correctly, or they would combine DSA in their search campaigns and essentially get the same thing that PMax is going to do. So rather than cry over the loss of DSA, which I agree, it is an end of an era. My heart breaks for all of the amazing auto campaigns and travel campaigns and real estate campaigns and shopping campaigns that did leverage DSA. Let's instead focus on what we can specifically do to make the most out of PMax, specifically making sure that you're segmenting your campaigns by a major category and that you're leveraging all of the creative options at your disposal, that you are in fact building that placement exclusion list and negative list so that you're protecting your traffic and you're feeding in the right customer values or conversion values so that your campaigns can be directed appropriately. This is not a time to panic. This is 100% a reasonable path, but while both campaign types are still there, I highly encourage you to test against each other, picking different categories, of course, so that you're not competing, and see what works best for you. I have a feeling we'll be pleasantly surprised and it will all be okay. This again has been Nava Hopkins from Optimizer, wishing you a wonderful day and success on the path to profit and victory. Cheers.